Wish I was riding a steam train right out of the pages of time, down through the old roaring 20s for the fall of 1929. Back in the heyday of railroad, before airplanes fluttered and flew, color me in like a cartoon hobo, doing what bums used to do. Songs from the great Jimmy Rogers, hearing old Bing Crosby croon. This is a song about the things used to be in a script, a hobo cartoon. Show me hopping a freight train somewhere south of the yard. Make it a Santa Fe boxcar, painted all rusty and hard. Sketch out an old hobo jungle, make the old days come alive on the page. Build a rough shack down by the track, weather it heavy with age. Songs from the great Jimmy Rogers, hearing old Bing Crosby croon. This is a song about how things used to be in a script, a hobo cartoon. Sometimes things are great to remember, some are too good to forget. Things back then were so different, some things we think of them yet. Songs from the great Jimmy Rogers, hearing old Bing Crosby croon. This is a song how things used to be in a script, a hobo cartoon.